Hello happy family, welcome once again to Obape's recipes. Today's video I'm going to show you how I prepare the most delicious and easiest tilapia light soup. Yes, I know there's a lot of recipes out there, but trust me, if you haven't tried this one yet, you are going to fall in love. And of course, we're going to enjoy it with fufu. So please friends, don't go nowhere. Take your seat and come with me. Let's make our kitchen a really fun place to be. Alright friends, so to get started, I'm going to cut some lime and lemon. So I'm going to use that to clean my fish. For this recipe, you can use any fish of your choice. You can use tilapia, you can use red snapper, you can use smoked mackerel or even fresh mackerel. Yes, it tastes absolutely delicious. Just whatever you can afford, just feel free and do so. So I really like to clean my fish with lemon. Sometimes I use vinegar, which is very easy. But if you can't find vinegar, you surely can use lemon as well. It does the job nicely. So just go ahead and wash it twice and you will be all done. So soon we're gonna be done and then we're gonna season our fish. So next I have here my onion. I'm using fresh ginger roots, garlic as well. So you can use any preferred. With this, I'm gonna cut them into small sizes and I'm gonna blend them into a very smooth texture. And I'm going to divide it into two because I'm going to use some to season my soup and I'm going to use some to season the fish. But I have here some dry rosemary. This is an optional, but I like to add a little bit of rosemary in there. It gives the soup a very nice taste as well. And add just a little bit of water and it will help you blend it really well. Alright friends, so I've already put some hot water on the stove and I'm going to be adding my vegetables. So I have here some baby carrots, onion, fresh tomatoes and bell pepper, and also I'm gonna add my habanero pepper and we're gonna cover it and leave it to boil and make sure that it doesn't overboil, okay, because you don't want to make your stove really messy. Alright friends, so we're gonna start seasoning our fish. So I'm adding here my pink salt and followed by my dear sister Sweet Ajele. I'm using her spices or pepper spices here to season my fish as well. I'm going to leave her link in the description box below, so if you are interested and you want to try her spice, you can just contact her through that. Yes friends, so I'm gonna add here 1 teaspoon of Sweet Ajele or pepper spices. Yeah, and I know she has Color Willy spices as well. Alright friends, so I have my paprika and I'm adding in here my blended ginger, garlic and onion. Remember that we're going to divide that into two. We're not using all of that. Yeah, we're going to use the remaining one for our soup. So make sure that everything is well seasoned and looking really nice, and it's well seasoned and looking absolutely beautiful and delicious. So go ahead and use your clean napkin and cover it and have it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I have here my pot on the stove and we're gonna start by seasoning our meat. So I have here my smoked chicken and mushroom and followed by salt, and I'm gonna add here my blended ginger, garlic and onion. Everything looks absolutely delicious and ready. So I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. This is about 4 tablespoons, but you can use tomato paste if you don't have tomato sauce. Next, cover it and have it steam for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, go ahead and add your blended vegetables right here. Yes, and you can add more water because it is very thick and we are making light soup. Okay, so go ahead and add that, and then you can add any preferred side of your choice, but I'm adding here my okra because I know fufu goes pretty well with okra. Cover it and then leave it to boil. Alright friends, so after your soup starts to boil, it is almost done, like halfway through. Then you can go ahead and add all your tilapia in there. Missing queen, it's so nice. Smoked chicken no flavor no ama enkwano aye kama. Me say Me say enkwan we di emawari ankasa. Me say ejia wale ne mawari so say try. Yeah, that is what we like. So next I'm adding here my summer squash. You can add garden eggs if that is what you have, or you can add, any vegetable of your choice. But if you're a big fan of me, you can add your summer squash and you're good to go. And just lower your heat and gradually let this soup cook into perfection. And make sure that you get your fufu ready, or even if you want to eat with rice, just go ahead, or your kinke, your benku, anything on the side, just feel free, enjoy this soup with it. One queen, look at that, it is almost done. So after I added the fish, I let it cook for about 15 minutes, and chale, the soup is ready. Our fufu is also ready, and as you all can tell, it is about to go down. So this is how I prepare simple but delicious tilapia light soup. This is Ghanaian style, so if you are from a different culture, please try this recipe, okay? You will fall in love. In fact, you will eat this recipe until thy kingdom come. Trust me, add it. It is absolutely delicious. So thank you so much, friends. I'm dishing this out, and as I said earlier, with this soup you can enjoy with your fufu, your rice, your kenke, your banku, anything that you feel like you want to eat with. Or if you're trying to stay on the weight loss diet, you can just drink this soup as it is. It will taste just amazing, friends. So yeah, it is ready. Go and call your family, your friends, your loved ones. Have them try this recipe, friends, and tell me how it is. Thank you so much. I hope you really enjoy this video, as Obapa is enjoying, and Chuchan kontumwa bahats ni naje zedumze nkwano kwe ankasa. I really enjoyed this recipe. I hope you did as well. Until I come your way, don't forget to share this recipe among your friends, and stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day.